I believe that Stahls TV will become the #1 resource that customers seek and need to be successful or make decisions to move their business forward.
Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth, and thanks so much for tuning in to this video, how to start your own t-shirt business from home. And you can make so much money with just a small machine like a heat press. And I'm gonna prove it to you in this video and show you how to generate your own income.
Hi everyone, Liz here with Stahls. I'm going to teach you how you can create embroidered looks only using a heat press.
I'm Mia with Stahls TV, and today we're going to talk about the 5 most common heat press mistakes and how to fix them. We all make mistakes when it comes to the heat press from time to time. These tips will help you make sure that you're not wasting any material and get you the perfect results every time.
Hey friends, hey friends, hey friends, hey friends, Dave here at Transfer Express. I want to show you the quickest and easiest way that you could design and print your own t-shirts. And the only thing you need is a heat press.
Hey guys, Kelly Walters here. One of the biggest questions we get is, can this type of heat transfer vinyl be layered? I get to tell you, yes, it turned out so good.
Welcome everybody to another episode of Decoration Mess. You want me to put these on?
Our show may get canceled, preferably not.
What motivates me is picturing the end result of delivering this to the customer, and then they go, wow, this is so cool.
The goal of Stahls TV is to help you grow your business to make you more successful.
All right, Doc, what's going on, huh? Where are we? When are we?
We're descending toward
Uniontown, PA.
2015.
2015? What the hell was that?
I'm Jenna with Stahls, and welcome to the Craft Corner. I really see a future in custom printing. We're creative beings, and we want to be able to create with the brands that we love.
Thanks for coming along on this journey with us, and we'll see you next year.
My name is Bob Robinson, and today we'll be talking about business beyond t-shirts, or printing outside the box.
I'll be your presenter today, Mike Koval. I'll break down the heat transfer market so you can pick the best material for your job.
I'm Zach Ellsworth. Welcome to the Stahls TV morning show.
A vinyl cutter is one of the best investments your business can make.
I am out here getting initial reactions. Do you, or anyone that you know, wear t-shirts?
Yes.
The CAD Cut Premium Plus. Give it to those you love.
I'm Stephanie, I'm with Transfer Express, and I'm going to show you how easy and fast it is to get started in the screen printed transfer business. Oh geez, gorilla! We have a lot of things to decorate for a fun tailgate.
Did somebody say tailgate?
Oh.
I'm your boy.
Today we're going to talk to you about the heat transfer vinyl process. This process is ideal for lower quantity runs, personalization. We're going to go ahead and take this cut piece over, and I'm going to show you how to weed it. Okay. To weed the design, I'm going to lay it in a well-lit area on a flat table. So you grab the handle, lock the press down, and then when the application is completed, you open the press. And then here is your finished result. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully this helps you. Hi, this is Josh Ellsworth.
Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Imprintables Warehouse.
I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls TV, and welcome to today's live class, Heat Press for Profit, how to get started with heat printing.
Teflon pillows are great tools to have around. Try to screen print this directly over the seam. Now
this shirt's nice.
The most fulfilling part about this is knowing that the effort that's spent, even in video work, is making an impact around the world. Watch this, a detailed design, but it weeds in one pull.